Well, hello there. Here we are again in the Plumbline showroom, and today we're going to show you how to remove the sticker on the acrylic bath that we've got here beside us. So here we have an acrylic bath, and we have a sticker here, which is obviously the note to the owner user, as it states. Now, people have difficulty trying to get them off, so what we're going to do is show you today how to do it really easily. So what I have here is just a standard hairdryer. And what we're going to do is we're just going to heat it up carefully so that it just comes off. It just softens the glue that's on the sticker, and it will come off nicely. So we're just going to go ahead now. First, what I'll do is I'll just try and take it off. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to get off, so let's see what happens with the hairdryer. Making sure it's not just enough to warm it up, so as long as your hand can handle it, the acrylic should be able to handle it. So we'll just go ahead and carefully heat this up. I have sped this up 5 times, but basically the idea is to just keep the label up as you move it along and peel it off. There you go, that's that off, and what you'll find here is there'll be a little bit of residue which you should be able to get off with the likes of a cleaner like Dissolve It, or you can use meths. Meths is fine, so meths will soften it enough to take it off. Either meths or turpentine, white spirits, that type of thing. It's fine for the acrylic as long as it's not on there for too long, but it should be fine. It won't hurt the acrylic if you're not going to leave it as a residue. So you wipe it across with your solvent, and please don't use thinner or any other harsh chemicals like that. When you have finished, mix up a solution of a few drops of dishwashing liquid in water, and then clean the residue of the solvent off. So there you go, that's how to do it.